Hi traders, this is Jason Lloyd from Forexsuggest, and today we are going to be having a look at Cerus Markets. Be sure to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to click that notification bell to stay up to date with our latest videos. Let's get into it. Cerus Markets is a dynamic and innovative financial services company that offers a wide range of trading and investment solutions. With a strong presence in the global financial markets, Cerus Markets is known for its commitment to providing its clients with cutting-edge technology, expert market analysis, and exceptional customer service. Whether you're an experienced trader or new to the world of finance, Cerus Markets strives to empower you with the tools and resources you need to navigate the complex world of trading and investing. Cerus Markets is a financial brokerage firm that operates under strict regulatory oversight to ensure the highest standards of client protection and market integrity. Regulated by leading financial authorities, Cerus Markets adheres to a comprehensive framework that promotes transparency and fairness in its services. Clients can have the confidence in the firm's commitment to compliance, making it a reliable choice for those seeking a secure and trustworthy trading experience. Cerus Markets offers a wide range of market instruments to cater to the diverse trading needs of its clients. Their selection includes popular options such as Forex, commodities, indices, and cryptocurrencies. With access to these instruments, traders can engage in various strategies and capitalize on market opportunities across different asset classes. Whether one is an experienced trader or a newcomer to the financial markets, their comprehensive array of instruments provides the flexibility to pursue their investment goals effectively. The broker offers enticing bonus promotions to enhance the trading experience for its clients. These promotions provide traders with additional value, allowing them to boost their trading capital and potentially increase their profitability. Through various bonus schemes, Cerus Markets rewards its clients for their loyalty and trading activities. These promotions are designed to cater to both novice and experienced traders, offering them the opportunity to maximize their investment potential. One such bonus currently includes their 100% deposit bonus. This broker provides a state-of-the-art trading platform that offers an exceptional trading experience for its clients. This platform is user-friendly and equipped with advanced tools and features to meet the diverse needs of traders. It offers access to a wide range of financial markets, including Forex, commodities, indices, and cryptocurrencies, enabling traders to seize market opportunities effectively. Their trading platform is designed to provide real-time market data, robust charting capabilities, and seamless order execution. It caters to both novice and experienced traders, allowing them to execute their trading strategies with precision. The platform's user-friendly interface ensures an intuitive trading experience, making it accessible to traders of all levels. Cerus Markets offers a standard live trading account that caters to the needs of a broad spectrum of traders. This account type provides a well-balanced trading experience with a competitive range of features. It typically offers a moderate level of leverage, competitive spreads, and access to various financial instruments. This account is an excellent choice for traders seeking a balanced and versatile trading environment. For specific details and to explore the benefits of their standard trading account, interested traders can visit their website for comprehensive information. With their standard live trading account, traders benefit from competitive spreads, allowing for cost-effective execution of trades across various financial instruments. The platform prioritizes transparency, providing real-time market information and analysis tools to assist traders in making better decisions. It would be important to note that Cerus Markets does not offer Islamic swap free accounts nor demo account options. Creating an account with Cerus Markets is a simple and straightforward process. Firstly, head over to their website, and on their homepage, click on Create Account. Next, fill in your personal details such as your name, email, and confirm your password. And once your account has been created, you can log into the Cerus Markets proprietary trading platform. And as easy as that, we're in. This is the Cerus Markets trading platform. In the center of the dashboard, you have your graph. On the left side of the interface, you can switch between a variety of different market instruments, as well as add or remove favorites. And on the right side of the dashboard, you have your nice and simple buy and sell order window. Cerus Markets provides a seamless and secure process for deposits and withdrawals, ensuring a hassle-free experience for its clients. On their website, users can find detailed information about the diverse payment methods accepted for funding accounts and withdrawing profits. They offer a variety of secure payment options, including bank transfers, credit or debit cards, and popular e-wallet services. The platform prioritizes the security of financial transactions, employing encryption and other advanced security measures to safeguard the client's sensitive information. Clients can easily initiate deposits to fund their trading accounts, and Cerus Markets strives to process withdrawal requests promptly, facilitating the efficient transfer of profits to clients' designated accounts. Cerus Markets offers a wealth of educational resources as well, to empower their clients with the knowledge and skills necessary for successful trading. Their educational material encompasses a range of topics, including trading strategies, market analysis, risk management, and more. These resources cater to both novice traders looking to build a strong foundation, as well as experienced investors seeking to refine their strategies. With insightful guides, tutorials, and market insights, Cerus Markets aims to support their clients in making informed trading decisions. These resources reflect their commitment to providing a holistic trading experience by equipping traders with the tools they need to navigate the financial markets effectively. Cerus Markets also offers a comprehensive trading education program designed to empower traders with the knowledge and skills they need to succeed in the financial markets. This program covers a wide range of topics, making it suitable for both beginners and experienced traders. Their trading guide covers a wide range of topics essential for understanding and succeeding in the world of trading. From fundamental concepts to advanced strategies, the guide provides clear explanations, illustrative examples, and practical tips to help traders enhance their skills and make better, informed decisions. One of the notable features of their trading guide is its user-friendly format, ensuring that traders can easily access the information they need. Whether individuals are looking to grasp the basics of trading or refine their existing strategies, the guide caters to diverse learning needs. They also offer up-to-the-minute trading news and market insights through their platform. And these are valuable resources for traders seeking timely and relevant information to stay informed about global financial markets. Their trading news covers a wide range of topics, including market analysis, economic events and developments that can impact various asset classes. Their news platform provides traders with a comprehensive view of market trends and helps traders make better informed trading decisions. Whether it's economic indicators, geopolitical events, or market trends, their platform delivers timely and relevant news to help traders stay ahead of the curve. Their trading news is an essential tool for those seeking timely and updated trading information. They also present a valuable tool for traders with their economic calendar. This comprehensive resource provides users with real-time access into key economic events and indicators that can significantly impact financial markets. Traders can stay informed about scheduled releases of economic data, such as employment reports, GDP figures, and central bank announcements. Overall, Cerus Markets has proven to be an invaluable resource for traders and investors seeking a cutting-edge platform to navigate the complexities of the financial markets. The broker has established itself as a reliable partner in the dynamic world of trading. One of the standout features of Cerus Markets is its user-friendly interface, designed to cater to both seasoned professionals and novice traders. The platform provides a comprehensive suite of tools and resources, backed by real-time market data and analysis. Furthermore, Cerus Markets has earned a reputation for its robust security measures, ensuring the safety of clients' funds and sensitive information. The range of financial instruments offered by this broker is diverse, allowing traders to explore various markets and investment opportunities, whether you are interested in Forex, commodities, indices, or cryptocurrencies. Cerus Markets provides a versatile platform that caters to a broad spectrum of trading preferences. Customer support is another area where Cerus Markets excels. The company's support team is available to assist clients with any inquiries or concerns and guide them to succeed in the world of the global financial markets. By prioritizing innovation and customer support, Cerus Markets continues to be a preferred choice for those seeking a reliable and rewarding trading journey. And that is our overview of Cerus Markets. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and leave a like if you enjoyed this video. Leave us a comment on what you would like to see next, and let us know which online broker is your personal favorite. And that's it from me for now. To open an account with Forexsuggest, click the link in the description. Thanks for watching, and as always, good luck with your trading activities.